I just think it's so cool when I get to work on these old houses and we get to see a little bit of old and new mixed together. As we can see here, they basically have tree trunks serving as the joists for their floor, but you can see that the wiring's new, they've got new water lines, new sewer line, new fire suppression. All of that stuff's really neat, especially when you have the stone walls and the old timber floor joist acting in the same space as this new stuff. I always think it's fun, so I wanted to show it to you. It's really nice to see a restoration company do a good job.